Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Tirusar, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Kharse Talent English Miss Mukta and Academy. So, dear students, already we have discussed the first chapters, the kinds of means about nouns. Now we are going to discuss the kinds of pronoun. Okay. So, let me discuss first things. What is pronoun? Pronoun is nothing but the word which is used in place of noun is known as pronoun. So let me discuss first. Noun kinds of pronouns many types. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. So we can do it. Okay. First we discuss demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. So first thing keep in mind, demonstrative pronoun is what? Demonstrate is nothing but demonstrate in to show something or someone. To show something or someone. For example, this is your friend. That is a light. This is a chalk piece. So here I am indicating some things. Here I have indicated fan, I have indicated light, I have indicated chalk piece. Understand? So in this way, the pronoun which is indicate or demonstrate something, that is called demonstrative pronoun. So what you can just like this, that, these, those. So these are called demonstrative pronoun. Next we are going to discuss indefinite pronoun. What? Indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronoun is what? It expresses means only. The indefinite pronoun is pronouns which do not refer to any persons or thing in particular. Means it does not express or it doesn't show a particular persons or things. So let you discuss what means. For example, all, some, few, none, everyone, someone. So which is it can't express any particular person or things. Understand? Some went to the market. Some went to the market. Others persons or things means particular person. Some of persons, some of people. We can just going to discuss. And all went away. So well were collapsed. So when we are making something that is does not show any particular person or things is called indefinite pronoun. Are you getting my point? The example given to you. Some means what? One, two, three, four. Any guarantee is there? Nothing else. If you write all, is there any particular person? Nothing else. Next, suppose say we can say anybody. We can say um, some people, or we can say everyone, or you can say someone. So these things cannot show a particular people or things. That's why this is called indefinite pronoun. Next, we are going to discuss Mm, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. So this reflexive pronoun generally using self. Generally, the reflection pronoun is coming with self, S-E-L-F, self. So listen to me. When self added to a personal pronoun, when self added to a personal pronoun like my, me, your, mine, your, her, it, and slavers to our selves, means it's plural. Generally, self. Self plural form, what you call? Self plural form, we can say selves. So F in place of VS. Okay. In place of F, what will come? VES. Understand? This is singular purpose, that is plural purpose. So what do you say? Myself, yourself, themself, herself, itself, himself, myself. So this type of word when it comes, that is known as reflective pronoun. What is it? Reflexive pronoun. Then after we are going to discuss the another pronoun, that is her. Only one, two, three, but there is a number of pronouns are there. We can say emphatic pronoun, or you can say personal pronoun is very important. Personal pronoun. Then after personal pronoun only main important. That is, we can say in the personal pronoun, first person, second person, third person will come. First person I, we, second person you, your, third person he, she, and they. So these all are called personal pronoun. Keep in mind. So in this pronoun we will discuss these things only. Here it's expressed. The uses means the types of reflex pronoun. Means the reflex pronoun, how many types we can use it, that clearly discussed. So now this much only we are going to discuss. So later we are going to discuss the reflexive pronoun deeply. Okay. So you can, if you write, you can write it. Now I'm running. So now you are using now first point reflexive pronoun as a object. Okay. Now the reflex pronoun we are using as a object. So let us see. Example: she hurt. Hurt means chot lagna. So she hurts herself. Herself. Are you getting me? So here also singular is the plural here. Singular first set will come. If I say things, if I write they hurt themselves. So here F can, here VS can. But both are used as a what? Objective. Next we are going to use reflex are used similarly after a word plus proposition. How it is? Let me see. So in this way we can practice this. Next, reflexive pronoun used. Which place? Used. When it used after a word plus proposition. Means after a word plus prepositions. So let us see what happens. For example, she spoke to herself. वो लड़की खुद उससे बात कर रही. Next, you can say generally, look after yourself. So that is look after yourselves. So you can, if you make a single, you can write single, or plural also you can write, singular also you can write. There is no problem. So this is one of the process. Okay, it is used after the verb with proposition. So first proposition will come, then after verb. So it can with the proposition. Which one can? The reflexive pronoun here can with proposition. Okay. Next point we discuss. See. Next one use as okay, let it fine. But one more thing, this one's only you can understand. Okay, always are getting easy for you. So one more thing keep in mind. Reflection pronoun generally won't use as a subject. It always used as a object. Keep in mind the main things. What? Reflexive pronoun never used as a subject. Okay. So this lesson complete. So then after task given, test. How much test yourself? One. One test yourself given for you. I hope you can write the answer properly. And in your textbook, backside also grammar answer is there. But that answer, if you won't understand properly, definitely I will help you. Okay. So this lesson has been completed. The next session we are going to discuss the another chapter. I mean second chapter. We will start. Okay. Bye.